So welcome one and all to this snow-decorated arena, which will provide as many chills as thrills over the next couple of hours. The freezing conditions matched only by the heat that the people in here are generating. And expectations are rising and decibel levels are rising. The noise is quite something. You can feel what football means to the people in this part of the world. It's bounced back off the post. Good try. The outcome could so easily have been different.
And not just close, agonisingly close.
They played right into his path. He's a decent hit! It's run loose, in he goes again! He's missed, but not by that far. And here's Jesus. Oh, great ball. Hits one. Goal! Arsenal! The breakthrough strike.
Arsenal clearly executed that with considerable confidence. It only took seconds to score once the ball was recovered.
The goal scorer for Arsenal after 13 minutes is number 29, Kai Havertz. Kai Havertz. Kai Havertz.
So the game's first significant moment, and it's come earlier than perhaps we anticipated. And he's making progress on the ball. Oh, beautifully shaped ball. Cleared without hesitation.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
Martinelli. Arsenal are enjoying a good spell right now and leading. Martinelli, Rice, and if you have just joined us, still just one goal between them, and the score is 1-0. Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
Well, it's not a surprise to see that these days, all part of a forward's duties.
Havertz. Matheus Cunha. They're back in possession and ready to go again. That's a lovely, neat pass. Quality ball. Oh, shooting chance! Great build-up. It all deserved a better ending.
He looked so composed until the moment he pulled the trigger. I still think he can't believe he didn't put it away.
Well, they've got it again. And the ball and the shots!
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
Arsenal are looking to break at pace. And that's been intercepted.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. He's got plenty of space out wide here. Oh, what a climb! He can get that clear. That's really well manoeuvred.
Yeah, they were looking for a counter-attack.
That is a great pick out. Face to... and the finish! They've scored! 2 up now, and they are cruising.
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
Arsenal are now luxuriating in a two-goal lead.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
Martinelli, terrific header! Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
Havertz.
And the first 45 minutes are up. So your views on the first half?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so what...
Substitution for Arsenal. Number 29, Kai Havertz.
And the action
Number
is back
9,
underway.
Gabriel Jesus.
That's been
Number
cut out, well
11,
played.
Gabriel Martinelli. Number 21, number 41.
Chance here to counter.
Rice.
David Villa.
Coming on the field.
Now it's Saka.
Number 7, number 18, Batistuta. Number 19,
It's a sharp pass.
number 20, Bukayo Saka. Number 8,
David Villa. There's a beautiful simplicity about this contest. Willing running on one side, dogged defence on the other. Gabriel. Couple of goals between the sides, and it's still early in the second half. Looking tidy in possession here. David Villa. Oh, this looks sharp.
attendance for this match
Ooh,
was
can he get onto this?
71,550.
Carvajal. Saka. And there's the hit! And more and more and more! And the lead is extended still further.
Look, there just wasn't much of a gap to begin with, and to find it, I think it was a fine drive, and I don't think the keeper could have really planned for that. I think he's a bit unlucky in that instance.
The goal scorer for Arsenal.
Wolverhampton can now introduce the first of their substitutes.
Number 7.
Well, Peter, I don't think there's anything tactical or injury-related here. I think it's just all about the push for a goal now.
3-0 and things are starting to look awfully cosy. Oh, what has happened here? It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
Yeah, they showed a vulnerability until the move was stifled. That'll have stirred a little concern.
Saka! Really well taken goal. Players ecstatic, fans delirious. This is utopian. That is lovely, finished with amazing expertise.
Yeah, and it's not a surprise to see him elect to shoot from there, considering how much movement can be generated on the ball. Great hit.
Bukayo Saka. Bukayo Saka. Bukayo Saka. Substitution in progress.
Wolverhampton making consecutive changes here. It's become a case of men against boys.
And things are much healthier in their favour. Mind you, you would have thought that when the last one went in.
The pressing's intense, and it's paid off. And the counter is on. And he's intervened well there. And reclaimed it in a trice. Doherty.
This is the time you need that pace.
Nouri. Well, quality actually deserted him at the crucial moment.
Encourage the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked.
And the shot! He scores! Perfect placement, the one place the keeper couldn't reach.
Well, Peter, I think the keeper knew straight away he was never going to get to it.
Wolverhampton grab a goal, but it's hard to see it as anything much more than a consolation.
Four added minutes has been indicated.
This is actually quite a courageous move, and I lad ambitious and a...
Can he finish?
A moment to try and place the cherry on the cake.
Semedo getting this one clear. Looks for the finish. And another try! It's in! Sharp, simple, satisfying. He just knew what was on.
Listen, he would have been advised to do that as a kid, and it's obviously etched in his mind now.
And the referee brings it to a close. Arsenal really have hit the heights. A tour de force that has left their opponents reeling. And that is what tends to happen when they do their thing. David Villa taking in the accolades, having been named man of the match, and deservedly so. How do you look back on the game then, Jim?
I think we just saw a team winning by playing to their strengths. There was a clear picture of what they set out to do, and the players were determined to deliver it, and they did.
So that's it for today. Thank you, Jim, and good afternoon all.